To this 81st tutorial, we are going to create this SVG. So you can see, you'll get the source code in the description. We need two files, HTML file and CSS file. The code for the HTML is very small, we don't have to worry about it. Let me create a file called index2.html and a style sheet for style2.css. Let me copy paste the code from the, I'm linking the CSS, and let me copy paste the code. You can see we have a container and we have a SVG. You can download the SVG in the source code, which is available in the description box. Now for the SVG we just have a path, and the path has a class called path pulse, because we are going to animate that, and the container also has a class. Now this is our index2.html is our file right now. At present it would be blank because the SVG is SVG is white. To make it look, we have to give background black. Now we need to call the container and give the height and width. I am preferring the height of 250 pixel, the width of 100 pixel. So the height is very small but it looks big. It is because of the height of the SVG. In case if you want to lower the height, you can directly call that class, you can directly call that SVG and give max width. Now I want this to be at the center, so I'm using display flex, align item center, justify content center. Now we need to animate. I'm going to call the path, so the path is going to get animated, and the animation property for the CSS animation, this is attribute, and the value should be a short, using the shorthand property, pulse, duration, linear and infinite number of times the animation would be played, and the speed would be linear. And this is the stroke dash array. With the help of this stroke dash array we are going to animate. So I'm going to have the hard code value. It's a tried and tested value. That means I have tried a multiple number of times to get the perfect value. So I'm just using the same value which is working. If you see, if you face any other random value, you will not get the perfect output. You can see this is not the output we required. So the perfect value, I'm again trying with the duplicate value. It's not at all working. Random value, not the duplicate value. Again a random value. So it should start from 0 and end on a random value. So the value I have passed is, you can see on the screen. If in case you want to increase the speed, you can change the duration to 2 seconds, and now that's done. Thank you for listening.